Why errors are part of automation? When building automation workflows, things will eventually go wrong. A request may fail, a server may not respond, a permission might be missing. Errors are not signs of failure, they are signals that something needs attention. The key is not avoiding errors entirely, but learning how to understand and handle them. Strong automation systems are built with error awareness and recovery in mind. Common HTTP error codes. When working with APIs, HTTP status codes tell you whether a request succeeded or failed. These numeric codes are your first clue when debugging. A 400 bad request means the server couldn't understand your request, usually due to incorrect formatting. A 401 unauthorized means authentication credentials are missing or invalid. A 403 forbidden means the server understands the request but refuses to authorize it, often due to permission restrictions. A 400 for not found means the requested resource does not exist. For example, requesting get USARS 123 when that user isn't in the system would return a 404 error. A 500 internal server error indicates that something unexpected happened on the server side. These codes are not random, they're diagnostic signals that help you pinpoint the issue. A systematic debugging approach. When an error occurs, follow a structured approach. Debugging is like solving a mystery. You gather clues and eliminate possibilities step by step. First, check the error message. The status code and response body often directly point to the issue. Second, verify the API request. Make sure the HTTP method is correct, the URL is accurate, headers are properly set, and the request body is formatted correctly. Third, check authentication. Confirm that API keys or tokens are valid, and that permissions allow the requested action. Fourth, examine the response body. Many APIs provide detailed error explanations inside the response. Finally, use logs and monitoring tools. Logs show what happened behind the scenes and often reveal patterns or hidden failures. Following a repeatable debugging process saves time and reduces frustration. Handling errors inside workflows. Error handling is not just about fixing issues, it's about designing workflows that respond intelligently when something fails. For example, if a payment API returns an error, your workflow can automatically retry the request, notify an administrator, or send a fallback message to the customer. Instead of breaking completely, the system adapts. Strong automation systems include conditional logic for failures. They log issues, notify the right people, and prevent silent breakdowns. Error handling ensures that your workflows remain stable, even when external systems fail. Debugging requires a systematic approach. Check error messages, verify requests, confirm authentication, review responses, and inspect logs. Most importantly, error handling should be built into your workflows. Automation is not about avoiding problems, it's about designing systems that respond intelligently when problems occur.